In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $796.66 in just about 60 minutes of work with one of these most simple make money online strategies that you'll see on YouTube so far. So over here on the screen, I've got a basic outline on this whole strategy. So you can basically set this up in approximately less than an hour, earn from it now immediately, and start making money online from this. But there are two important things that you need to do before you can actually succeed with this. This is not going to be one of those quick make money online strategies. This is a more in-depth strategy with a lot of unknown and secret resources and a database that I'm going to show you guys where you can get access to tons of make money online resources, how to use that, and really how to benefit the most from this video. So really suggest watch this one until the end, or save it to your watch later if you can't watch it right now. Also leave a like. I would really appreciate a like on this video. Comment down below if you have any questions after this, and also it's simple, easy to do. Anybody can do this. All you need is your PC in front of me. I suggest follow me with your PC or your mobile phone as I go through each and every step, and it's going to be complete beginner friendly, meaning if you've never seen a PC before, I'm going to show you literally how to drag and drop each and every icon on your PC to set this up. It's really easy. I'm also going to show you a free and a paid strategy to really scale with the strategy and make a lot of money online. And if you have any questions after this, you're welcome to DM me on Instagram over here at JFroneman on Instagram. I answer all DMs, and if you just want to chat to me and ask about make money online in general, you're welcome to go and do that. And like I said, I'm going to show you a secret database where you can actually get tons of unknown resources that you can use to make money online. Without further ado, guys, my name is Jay from the Millennium Mindset channel. I make money online full-time from South Africa. I'm a full-time software developer and online entrepreneur, and on this channel I document my journey on exactly what I do in my daily life. So without further ado, I'm going to show you proof on the strategy just as well in a bit, but we're going to get straight into this. So the first thing that you need to go and do is you need to come over to Google, and I want you to search the following. I recently started promoting this affiliate program over here. It's called the Kevin David Affiliate Program, and he's got tons of different courses, mentorship programs. I'm sure if you've been in the make money online niche for a while, you would have seen his Shopify programs, his Amazon FBA, and he's actually got tons of programs that you can become an affiliate for and make a commission every time you share his products. So over here, you want to come over to this specific link over here called the Kevin David Affiliate Programs. Join today. It's 5starfunnel.com. Over here are 4 separate links to all his main programs that you can become an affiliate for. The one I just chose was this one over here, so you can join and become an affiliate program for all 3 of these with just one sign up instead of signing up for them separately. So click on this link over here. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and it will take you to a page like this. Just enter your name, your email, your password, address, city, state, and all this information over here. Your payment reference, you can choose PayPal. If PayPal is not accepted in your country, you can choose check, which a check will actually be sent to your local address, and you can cash that out at your bank over there. So once you sign into your account is going to look like this. I've only been promoting this specific program for 2 days now. With the strategy, I've already made over $790 with this, and $401 today so far. This is not all profit. Profit is about, I would say, of the $797, about $700 is profit. But I actually started with a completely free strategy and used the money I made from that to reinvest into the paid strategy to scale. So what you want to do is, I just usually use the Shopify course or the Amazon FBA full course. What you can do is you can click on affiliate tools over here. It says affiliate tools dash get my links. It's going to take me to this page over here. Your link you just want to take to the webinar page. I like to use the webinar page because I like to offer people sign up for a free webinar. People like free webinars because anybody wants free information. You can put your affiliate link, so you can put, for example, if you want to promote this on Facebook, you can just type in Facebook over here, and here is your custom link over here. And this is the important part. You want to click on grab your Amazon affiliate resources over here. So it's going to take us to this Google Drive over here that Kevin David has specifically set up for you to go and promote his product. So there's done for you content, there's a done for you program, and there's done for you Facebook ads, Instagram ads over here that you can go and use to scale your business without doing anything yourself. You literally have everything that's done for you over here. It's an incredible system, so make sure to keep following. So take a look at this video over here. For example, if I click on this one, this is the Amazon FBA last chance to not miss out video. I'm just waiting for this to play to actually show you. And as you can see, Kevin David has made tons of sales videos for you guys. So over here, you can get tons of them. You can literally download each and every one of these, save them to your PC, create an Instagram page, create a Facebook page, run Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram shoutouts, you name it. I'm going to show you some of the best examples now and literally master and build a huge business out of this. And with paid ads, I'm close to $800 in just my first 2 days promoting this. And I just quickly want to show you the landing page of his actual course. So let me just go Kevin David Amazon FBA, because you do need to actually understand the course that you are promoting. So Amazon FBA and Kevin David's specific Ninja Masterclass course teaches you how to prove and start and build your own Amazon business. So a lot of people sell on Amazon different products and services that are making people millions around the world. This course basically teaches you how to identify winning products. A lot of people in today's world are keen to start e-commerce. They're keen to learn how to make money online and build an online business, because that's where the world is going. A lot of people want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs and go into make money online. But like anything, it takes effort. It doesn't happen overnight. A lot of people join this kind of make money online niche, want to start their online businesses and expect to explode overnight. There are strategies and tips that you can take. For example, from this video that I'm giving to you here on YouTube now, completely without charge, just a free video on YouTube. But it has a lot of value. It's teaching you something. It's teaching you how to find a winning affiliate product. So this is just a little bit about the course, and why people would want to buy this course is because people are keen to learn. But that's where your marketing comes into play, and why you need to market this so effectively. I'm actually going to show you exactly how to do this and get sales like I've gotten the last 2 days. Guys, the first thing that I want to show you, take a look at this. So I came over to this website over here called shoutcart.com, where you can go and pay famous people around the world to shout out your affiliate link. I'm also going to use this database over here, which I'm going to show you just in a bit. All you want to do is just log in with your free account, and over here you can pay Instagram accounts all over the world. So for example, this Instagram account with this 110,000 followers that gets thousands of likes and tens of thousands of story views, $20 for a simple swipe up feature. So for 24 hours, they will list a story feature that you can go and swipe up with your affiliate link to Kevin David's course. But now remember, Kevin David's course over here with all of these resources literally has done for you stories. So all you're going to do is you can choose, for example, over here, this 30-second square, which is a 30-second story for Instagram. If I click on play over here, and as you can see, this done for you Instagram story, you can literally right click, click on download or get link. Here's the download button over here. Download. Come over to Shoutcart over here. You can literally click on their page over here, order the shout out through Shoutcart, or actually go to their page and DM them. So over here, you can actually add this to your campaign, send them your link. You can also do a permanent shout out as well, and they will basically do the swipe up feature with that video that you downloaded to your affiliate link. You can also come over to this platform over here called influencerlist.today, which are also famous Instagrammers and big influencers around the world. So take a look at this. This person over here has 7 million followers. If I actually click on their profile over here, we can actually go and pay them to shout out our different posts. So this person has 6.5 million followers. You can actually go and email them on their business page over here, or message them on Instagram and tell them that you want to do a shout out feature. You found them over here, so you can go and contact them through this database called Influencer List and pay them for a shout out. But obviously a page with 6 million followers is going to cost a bit more than $20, but that's where the more you spend, obviously the more you're going to get out of that. So this may cost $500, but let's say you're going to get hundreds of thousands of views through your affiliate link. The second thing that you can do, guys, is also quite powerful, is if you actually come over to Fiverr. Remember I spoke about Facebook ads? Just type in here Facebook ads, click on enter over here. You can actually go and pay people. I just want to change this to US dollars, not rands, which is my local currency. You can go and pay experts on Fiverr to go and run successful ad campaigns for you guys. So over here, you can see this person will boost your online sales with Facebook ads for just $100. So yes, this does need $100 investment, but think about all the content that you have set up over here. all these videos over here, these pictures, you can literally run Facebook ads on this. You can take this video over here, which is actually a YouTube ad, and go and run YouTube ads with this and make tons of money and get tons of conversions and traffic through YouTube ads. So there's lots of different ways that you can go about this and actually build an online business. You can also use a tool like Builderall over here. So you can use the MailingBoss autoresponder over here to set up email automation at scale and really collect a lot of emails and send out emails to all the leads that you've collected to retarget them and get people back to your affiliate link to get them to buy Kevin David's course, which ultimately you get a commission for every time you actually sign up someone to that. So the best thing about building an email list, you're building a loyal subscriber base. You can also send out automation emails promoting other products and make money off your email list every single day through emails. And you can literally build an email list of 5 to 10,000 people, and you can make $50 to $100 every time you literally send out an email, as one person will at least convert with an email list that big. So that's the huge potential of this. You can try our Builderall if you want to for just $1 down below. Much cheaper than ClickFunnels and Kartra and all those tools that cost hundreds of dollars a month. You can get Builderall for just $1 your first month if you use the link down below. Quickly, before I continue to the next step, I quickly want to show you guys something over here. So I don't know if you remember, about 2 days ago on one of my recent videos, I spoke about one of those drop servicing stores that I just started. Over here is a drop servicing store that I started 7 to 8 days ago, and I've now scaled from $400 a week to over $4,000 this week, selling rare high income skills and services without actually doing that work myself. So I go over to Fiverr. So for example, let me actually just show you. This person over here charges $60 to run and write successful Facebook ads. I will go start an entire Facebook ads corporate looking company and landing page charging, let's say, $300 per month, and I will now keep $240 in my pocket every month. I will go run an online store on Facebook ads or Google ads and get sales through that and just transfer the work from Fiverr to my client, and I keep all this money as the man in the middle. So what I've done for you guys, I've actually created an entire 6-figure drop servicing university program. I wasn't going to create a course on what I do because what I do works for me. It's my full-time business off of YouTube. It's a very successful business, but I had a lot of people asking me, what do I do full-time off of YouTube? And I say to them, drop servicing. And they asked me, do I have a paid course through my Instagram DMs? And I said no, and that's where I got the idea to create one. So over here, I just created a simple 7-minute video that shows you exactly what's in this course, how all of my sales from my top store made about $228,000 gross profits in 2020. This video shows that. And over here, I show results and some of the DMs from some of the people actually getting results from this. I also show you each and every module and bonus included, and you actually get a done for you store as well. And each and every module over here, and you can add this to your cart. Make sure to take notes of this launch coupon over here. I'm running a huge special for the first week that I've launched this program. There's been lots of updates, new modules has been added. So really suggest go and give this a check out. I will go leave a link to the description. I will leave a link in the description. It's the first link to this page over here where you can go check this out and get this if you want to. What I'll do is as well, over here on the screen, I'll leave a playlist to help you guys as well to promote your Kevin David affiliate link. So over here, I'm going to leave a playlist called Affiliate Marketing 2021. So you're welcome to go and click on this over here, and I'll see you over there. Don't forget to go and check out with this course as well.